Welcome back to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find this information helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using Password Boss, so your mileage may vary. I've been exploring password managers recently, and one that caught my eye is Password Boss, found at www.passwordboss.com. This comprehensive platform offers a suite of security features beyond just managing your passwords. They offer a digital wallet for storing payment information, secure file storage, and even a dark web scanner to check if your credentials have been compromised. It's definitely a one-stop shop for digital security. One aspect that stands out about Password Boss is its user-friendly interface. Navigating the application and accessing stored information is straightforward and intuitive, even for those less tech-savvy. Adding new passwords and organizing them into folders is a breeze. Password Boss also supports two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of security to your account. Another notable feature is the emergency access option. You can designate trusted contacts who can access your account in case of an emergency, ensuring that important information isn't lost. This is particularly useful for sharing access with family members or in unforeseen circumstances. They also offer a family plan, which allows you to share passwords and other secure information with your family members easily and securely. While Password Boss has a lot to offer, it's important to consider that the pricing structure might be a bit higher compared to some other password managers on the market. However, for the comprehensive features and robust security they provide, the cost might be justified for users who prioritize a complete digital security solution. It's definitely worth exploring their free trial to see if Password Boss is the right fit for your needs. They offer support for various devices and operating systems, ensuring seamless access to your passwords and secure information across your digital ecosystem. If you're looking for a robust and user-friendly password manager with added security features, definitely check out Password Boss at www.passwordboss.com.